Hello to everyone, guys! Let's talk about hip drop types. There is already a video with a detailed explanation of the basic hip drop technique, so check it out in the info box below this video. The first type of the hip drop we combine with Maksum rhythm, which sounds like doom tek, tek doom tek, doom tek, tek doom tek, where on doom you drop your hip and on tek drop leg and hip, constantly repeating. The next type of hip drop is connected with Baladi rhythm. Baladi, Bellydance, you may pronounce it the way it's comfortable for you. Actually, in Arabic it sounds like Baladi, if I'm not mistaken. The rhythm sounds like doom doom, tek doom, tek, doom doom, tek doom, tek. On doom doom, you drop your hip down twice, and on tek doom tek, you do a standard hip drop. I mean Maksum hip drop. Doom doom, tek doom, tek, doom doom, tek doom, tek, doom doom, tek doom, tek, doom doom, tek doom, tek. And the last one is Saidi hip drop. The rhythm Saidi sounds like doom tek, doom doom tek. And we start with a hip drop, pause, double hip drop, and hip drop with leg. Then repeat again. Doom tek, doom doom tek, doom tek, doom doom tek. Doom tek, doom doom tek, doom tek, doom doom tek. These are very basic hip drops. It doesn't mean you cannot deviate. Instead of hip drop, you may do hip lift to diversify your dance. Just be creative. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all the next tutorials and Bellydance show videos. Turn on the notification button and see you in the next video.